Saan nagja-jogging ako bago mag-run? Nawala na akong resistensya kanina. Ito ka na ako. Bisang lamig, no? Buti nagdala kang jacket. Buti pa kay nanay nakikinig. May relasyon ata kayo.
2 points, Sir Valia. Back-to-back 2 points for Sir Valia. Ten seconds to shoot. Two points, Sir Hampton. Who's foul rep? Foul jersey number 16, Sir Hampton, and that's his first personal foul and first team foul.
Sabi ko na. Sabi na Gold, sayang. Mag-best player sana ako.
Sir Magrano, first personal foul.
Grabe.
Seconds to shoot. Foul, counted. Foul, jersey number 21, Sir Magarado. And that's his second personal foul and second team foul. Bonus shot for Sir Hampton.
Tap, maaga uuwi. Makapag-date pa tayo.
Yes! Na all!
Default yung next game, ma'am eh. Default. Default na.
Sana kami din. Ano? Sana kami rin kumi.
10 seconds to shoot. Who's foul ref?
Cyan versus Orange. Nagpa-default yung Cyan.
Foul, jersey number 26, Sir Rivas. That's 2 points, Sir Valia. Our score is 110. 9-point lead for Brown Cheetahs. Sir Valia na naman, mag-isa. Lays it up. Back-to-back 2 points for Sir Valia.
Mamuli na kami.
Mamaya.
Wala pa lang kasi. Wala pa lang. Kaya pa yan. Kaya pa. Umasa tayo.
Rep, wait lang po. Sir Valia, patanggal po naman. Thank you po. Yung mga accessories po natin, pakitanggal po muna.
Yun yung main tunnel nito eh. Ito. Kita ko na. Sa brown.
Easy 2 points for Sir Mose. Easy 2 points. Grabe na. Rebounded by Sir Mose. Nasa Sir Bagay. Rebounded by Sir Faria. Is it 2 points, Sir Ribas? 13-point lead for Brown Cheetahs. Ten seconds to shoot. 3 points, Sir Bagay. Sir Faria na naman sa dulo. Nice pass. 2 points, Sir. Change 5. Official score po natin, 6-18. 12-point lead for Brown Cheetahs.
Sana kayo niya tumakbo.
Sir Falia, yung ano po? Rep, wait lang po, rep. Sisin niyo po, Sir Falia.
Baka kasi dumakdak ka eh. Dumabit.
Accessories po natin, pakitanggal po.
Wala pala silang pamalit. Opo.
Net, paano yung kulang yung brown? Pwede silang pumili. Sampo na ba? Eh, yung brown 5, pwede silang pilihan. Sama po. Oo, hindi alam sasabihin.
Ten seconds to shoot.
Nakalimutan. Net, sayang din nakalimutan natin yun.
Rebounded by Sir Hampton. Sir Falia na naman.
Sabi na po.
Simo, 18 seconds to shoot.
Di sana net, di ba ba't si ano? Si may tungkol kasi. Martio.
Sir Bautista, pasa Sir Hemoya. Rebound by Sir Bautista.
Hey!
Put back is good. 2 points.
Friday secured!
Steal. Is it 2 points, Sir Bernardo?
Ah, 10 na lang.
Ang laki niyan, sir!
Put back is good by Sir Hampton.
Sir, ang laki niyan, no?
Sir Hemoya, pasa Sir Bautista for 3. No go. Rebounded by Sir Rivas.
Lima nga lang sila, puro magkakangkat yun.
Steal. Sir Bautista, dribbling the ball. Pass to Sir Bernardo, 2 points.
Sayang net na panalo, eh.
Seconds to shoot. Rebounded by Sir Villamor. Nakita si Sir Bautista sa dulo. Sayang naman yun. Foul, jersey number 20.
May long piece na pala doon, LTO Nova. Net.
First personal foul, third team foul.
Putang yan, tatapaw eh.
Back-to-back rebound by Sir Villamor. Sir Legaspi, floater, 2 points.
Parang walang doubt ah.
Parang wala raw doubt. Sir Canayong. Pass to Sir Rivas. Server.
Uy! Traveling.
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 Sir Rivas. Pass to Sir Canayong. Perimeter shot. Perimeter shot is good by Sir Canayong. Sir Himoya, tinatansya. Pass to Sir Legaspi. Sir Legaspi, perimeter shot. No good. Rebounded by Sir Hampton. Ranchitas, nagmamadali. 2 versus 2. 2 points, Sir Falia. Last 30 seconds. Two points, Sir Legaspi. Wala na po tayong shot clock. 15 seconds. Who's foul rep?
So, tinapakan mo kanina.
Foul, jersey number 29, Sir Bautista. That's his first personal foul and fourth team foul. 2 shots for Sir Rivas. Ten seconds. 5 seconds. Buzzer na lang kung maririnig nyo.
Bata.
Foul counted. Foul jersey number 29, Sir Bautista. Second personal foul and penalty. On the shot for Sir Falia.
Bigay yung mata.
1.9 second.
Ngayon na lang ulit naglaro eh.
And the first quarter. Ang taas nun. Rebounded by Sir Hampton. Sir Rivas. As Sir Gabos made away shot. Out of bounds, Boobs ball. Sir Falia again. Asa Sir Rivas. Balik kay Sir Falia. 2 points, Sir Falia. Sir Mose. Pasa Sir Abendaño. 10 seconds to shoot. Nakita Sir... Oh! Block! 6 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Block na naman! Kick ball.
Pwede itong
Wolves ball.
third or fourth quarter pag pagod na sila. Yung mapagod.
Sir Mose. No good. Rebounded by Sir Hampton. Sir Rivas, passes Sir Gabos, foul! Foul jersey number 8, Sir Aventaño. And that's his first personal foul and first team foul. 2 shots for Sir Gabos. Wolves ball. Servagay for 3. No good. Passive rebound by Sir Bosse. 2 points, Sir Bosse. Jump ball. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points, Sir Ganayo. Sir Bagay, pass to Sir Magararo. Pass to Sir Tomanyog. Balik kay Sir Magararo for 2. Sir Mose, no good. Sir Magararo na naman. 2 points, Sir Magararo. Top shot, 2 points, Sir Gabos. 16-point lead for Brown Chicas. Sir Magararo again. No good. Sir Rivas, pass to Sir Valia. Kay Sir Canayo, perimeter shot. 2 points, Sir Canayo. 18-point lead for Brown Chicas. It's 2 points, Sir Tumanyo. Sir Hampton, 10 seconds to shoot. Rebounded by Sir Mose. Ito na ang Purple Wolves. Steal. Who's foul rep? Oh, jersey number 21, Sir Magararo, and that's his 3rd personal foul and 2nd team foul. Sir Hampton, balik kay Sir Gabos. Sir Magararo, rebounded the ball. Sir Bagay na papadali, hinapon ni Sir Canayong. No good. Sir Valia, pass si Sir Rivas. Counted po ba, Rep? Hindi po. No count. Sir Magararo, 4th personal foul and 3rd team foul. Sir Magararo, warning for graduate po. Wolves ball. Rebounded by Sir Rivas. Pass to Sir Canayo. Pass to Sir Vania. Change 5. Official score po, 39-22. 17-point lead for Brown Cheetahs. 2 points, Sir Legaspi. Out of bounds, Wolves ball. Nice defense by Sir Bautista. Sir Hamoya dribbling the ball. Pass it up. Rebounded by Sir Legaspi. Out of bounds, Cheetahs ball. Sir Rivas. Pass to Sir Canayo. Steal. Purple Wolves 3 versus 1. Nakita si Sir Bernardo. Si Sir Bautista.
Pag ano na dami dito sa dito. Hindi, tuloy-tuloy.
Sir Gabos, first personal foul, first team foul. Sir Valia, pass to Sir Hampton. Floater. Putback is good by Sir Hampton. 15-point lead for Brown Cheetahs. Sir Legaspi. Pasok na sa gitna. Easy 2 points, Sir Legaspi. Steal. Sir Philip nagmamadali. Pasa sa Bautista. Tumitingin sa likod. Rebounded by Sir Valia. Ginugulo ng Purple Wolves. Pasa Sir Rivas. Sir Rivas, pasa Sir Hampton. Pasa Sir Canayo. Pasa Sir Rivas. Pasa Sir Canayo. 2 points, Sir Canayo. Sir Bernardo. Rebounded by Sir Rivas. Nice foul by Sir Legaspi.
Para pagod kayo?
Steal. Nice pass.
Taas pa rin.
Who's foul rep? Foul jersey number 15, Sir Villamor. First personal foul and penalty. Rep penalty po tayo, rep penalty.
Lugi sa tangkad ni Sir Hampton.
Pasok mo na yan. Ewan, pasok mo na yan.
Two points, Sir Legaspi. Rep penalty po tayo. Sir Bernardo.
Malapit-lapit na. Kaya yan, kaya.
Sir Bernardo, second personal foul. Sir Hamoya, pass to Sir Legaspi. Nakita Sir Villamor. Balik kay Sir Legaspi. Block! Foul, jersey number 6, Sir Gabos. Second personal foul and second team foul. Sir Hampton again, pasok sa gitna. 2 points, Sir Hampton. 1 minute and 25 seconds.
Konti na lang.
Sir Hermoya, pass to Sir Legaspi. 10 seconds to shoot. Is it 2 points, Sir Legaspi.
Nire-ready ko na yung gamot ng asawa ko.
11 point lead for Brown Cheetahs. Sir Rivas, nakalabaw na.
May
Who's foul rep?
ako sa 10 years old.
Penalty po tayo rep, penalty. Sir Villamor, second personal foul. Penalty.
Parang si Lendy.
1 minute. Brown Cheetahs, Sir Rivas mag-isa lang. 2 points, Sir Rivas. 35 seconds. Steal. Sir Rivas again. Lumipat na. Is it 2 points, Sir Rivas? Wala na po tayo shot clock. 20 seconds. No shot clock. 15 seconds. Sir Gabos, third personal foul and third team foul. On the shot for Sir Legaspi. Five seconds.
Yung last foul, 26.
Ba't naman pa-perfect na overtime?
Naka-perfect last season eh. Bate eh.
Nice, galing, ayos. Ay, di pa pala.
Time zone ah. Parang nasa time zone lang ah. Tayo, walang video.
Nababati.
Agad para si ano. Yan. Ito. Nice dito. Ito.
Nabawi sa...
Sir Tumanyog, nangalabaw na. Foul shot. So go and Sir Tumanyog. Seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds, Wolves ball. 4-point lead for Brown Cheetahs. Cheetahs ball. Sir Canayo for 3. No good. Rebounded by Sir Tumanyog. Pass to Sir Bagay. Sir Mose. Rebounded. Foul.
Kahit na ginagano lang ni Hampo yung bola.
Sir Tumanyog, first personal foul and first team foul. Sir Hemoya, pass to Sir Bagay. 2 versus 1.
Pasok.
Sir Vaya, pass to Sir Gabos. Sir Rivas. Sir Hampton. Steal. Nice save. Sir Hemoya. Parang si Wembe yung bumantay sa'yo nun.
Dalawa na lang.
2-point lead for Brown Cheetahs. Rebounded by Sir Mose. Pass to Sir Bagay. Sir Bagay, umikot na. Foul. Who's foul, Brett?
Kunti na lang!
Yes. Yes.
Sir Canayong second personal foul and
Ang galing ako.
Galing ako. Sige, takpan mo. Sige, takpan mo yung video.
second personal foul, first team foul. Out of bounds, Cheetahs ball. 17 seconds.
Peace, magandang peace.
Rebounded by Sir Bagay. Pagkakataon ng Purple Wolves makalamang. Pass to Sir Hemoya. Nakita si Sir Tumanyog. And lamang na po ang Purple Wolves.
What a nice pass!
Steal.
Nice one!
And 2 points, Sir Bose.
Sarap ang buhay niya.
Eh, pahinga muna. Huwag na.
Sir Rivas. Pasok sa gitna. Sir Rivas. 2 points. Nice pass. 2 points, Sir Tumanyog. Sir Valia. Grabe, parang point guard si Sir Tumanyog. Steal.
Okay, push! Push, push!
Sir Bagay for 3. No good. $16 seconds to shoot.
Nakangiti na yung asawa mo. Nakangiti na. Iniinda niya na yung mga goat yung mga oras ito.
Nice move. 2 points, Sir Rivas. Sir Bagay. Pasa Sir Boss. Grabe yun, laki.
Anong tip?
Sir Valia. Pasa Sir Blackman.
Grabe naman yung laro na to. Parang finals na.
Steve. Oh, Tote.
Yun na naman, parang
Wala, yung part ko.
Change 5 po tayo. $1.3 for Brown Cheetahs. Rebounded by Sir Cabos. Pasi Sir Canayo. Steal.
Naku yung napapagod.
Time out daw, ilan?
Support Sir Bautista. Ten seconds to shoot. Easy 2 points, Sir Hampton. Palitan lang po tayo ng kalamangan.
Kaya nga eh.
2 points, Sir Legaspi. Foul, jersey number 15, Sir Villamor. And that's his third personal foul and third team foul. Foul, Sir Bernal. First personal foul and fourth team foul.
Sakto lang ba silang lima, ma'am?
Opo.
Walang sab-sab.
Opo.
Galing!
2 points, Sir Bautista. Ten seconds to shoot. Grabe yun. Fade away shot is good by Sir Cabos.
Uy!
Foul, Sir Legaspi. Second personal foul. Grabe, dalawang brown na lang nag-aagawan. 2 points, Sir Hampton. Same ball, 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Rebounded by Sir Rivas. Sir Rivas, pasok sa gitna. Same ball, 15 seconds to shoot. Two points, Sir Canayo. Ten seconds to shoot.
Si Pagdikin kumuha ng bola.
2 points, Sir Bautista. 25 seconds. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Rep, penalty po tayo, penalty. Sir Bernal, second personal foul and penalty. 2 shots for Sir Rivas.
Parang gusto mo pati ah.
Last 10 seconds. Steal.
Grabe.
Sir Gabos, pass si Sir Rivas. 62 points. Buzzer na lang po maririnig nyo. Tubo, Sir Bigaspi. Steal. Nice pass. 5 seconds to shoot. Sir Gamos, third personal foul and first team foul. 2 shots for Sir Villamor. Two-point lead for Brown Cheetahs.
Para ko lang gam!
And we are tied at 69.
Last party na pala to, ma'am? Akala ko yun pala.
Goes foul, rep. Foul, jersey number 15, Sir Villamor. And that is fourth personal foul. And first team foul. Fighting for graduate na po, Sir Villamor. Foul. Foul, jersey number 7, Sir Tumanyog. Second personal foul and second team foul. 2 shots for Sir Gabos. for
Run!
Ragwe. Doctorate ka na sir, graduate ka pa rin.
Doctorate na.
Aral na aral si sir ah. Third team foul.
Sir, parang first time yung sa TV nila.
Foul, counted. Who's foul rep? Foul jersey number 7, Sir Tumanyog. And that's his third personal foul and fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Three-point lead for Brown Cheetahs. Who's foul rep? Sir Falia's first personal foul, third team foul. Top shot, 2 points, Seth Ligaspi. So 2 points. Sir Baga. And we are tied at 74. Rebounded by Sir Tumanyog. Steal. Sir Rivas. Pasok sa gitna. Nakita Sir Gabos. No goal. Who's foul rep?
Yun na yun ah.
Sir Falia's second personal foul and fourth team foul. Both teams po warning for penalty. Both teams warning for penalty. Ten seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot.
Ay, abon mo to.
4 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. Sir Canayo. Out of bounds, Cheetahs ball. Steal. Same ball, 18 seconds to shoot.
Lamig.
Sir Rivas. Pass to Sir Canayo. Pass to Sir Falia. Pass to Sir Gabos. Pass to Sir Rivas. 2 points, Sir Rivas. Draw.
Hirap-hirap.
10 seconds to shoot.
Lagi naman.
Two points, Sir Rivas. Timeout, Purple Wolves. Our official score is 75-81. 6-point lead for Brown Chicas.
Bigat nun, binuwat ng payat.
Who's foul rep?
Abalian ng buto yun, sir.
Penalty po tayo rep. Penalty.
Hello. Hello, malulubat na ako.
Doon na yung ano ko. Yun na yung blue ko.
Sir Hampton, second personal foul.
Tabi ni Kuya Luis.
Mamang pare.
Seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot.
Sige, sige, sige. Hindi natawag.
Rep, may foul po ba? Penalty po tayo, rep. Penalty.
Ubis, umuwi na natin yung bola.
Rep, jersey number 28 po, ang foul. Okay po. Sir Bagay, second personal foul. Penalty. Counted. Who's foul rep? Sir Falia, third personal foul and penalty. Bonus shot for Sir Mose.
Pero,
Bonus shot is good. Dalawa na lang po ang hinahabol ng Purple Wolves. Seconds to shoot. Nice pass. 2 points, Sir Hampton. Rebounded by Sir Rivas. Support Sir Hampton.
dalawa pa. Parang finals.
Who's foul rep? Foul jersey number 24, Sir Jose. First personal foul and penalty. 2 shots for Sir Hampton.
Aba, kasing gano'n naman yung gagawin sa Hampton.
Hindi na kailangan tumalon.
Foul, Conte.
Kaya, walking na doon. Sabi mo, Mr. B. Sino yung Mr. B? Sino yung 26 friend? Paglabas natin, ano siya gawin ako?
Vincent. Opo.
Hindi, may gamot naman eh. Ilan na tayo?
Sir Diva, second personal foul and penalty.
Kawawa ka
All 85. Ten seconds to shoot. Who's foul rep?
Dalawa na.
Uy! Graduate na si Tara.
Sir Canayong, third personal foul. Penalty po tayo, penalty. Both teams, penalty.
Ay no, yung isang bolo.
Top shot, 2 points, Sir Divas. Points, Sir Bautista.
Bis ako, bis oh. Bis! Rabis!
Foul jersey number 29, Sir Bautista. And that's his third personal foul, penalty. 2 shots for Sir Canayo.
Kaya mo dun.
Labang ng isa ang Purple Wolves.
Huwag na sila magpapaw.
Stress ako.
All 88.
Ilang buwan pa man baka maintenance na.
Kaya mo. Kaya pa yan. Lima lang sila pero ang tigas nila. Sige, ulit.
Number 6, foul content. 2 points, Sir. On the shot is good by Sir Ligaspi. Timeout.
86 yung foul. 86 yung.
Sir Rivas po pala.
Yung kaba, ma'am.
Rebounded by Sir Tumigyon. Passes Sir Bagay. Sir Gabos, fourth personal foul.
Grabe, sa kanila.
Oras po natin, 21 seconds. 2 shots for Sir Bautista. Timeout, Brown Cheetahs.
Ito na. Kaya pa yan. Kaya pa yan humabol pang nag-3 points.
Ten seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points sa Rivas. Oras natin, 7.7. Sir Gabos! Radway!
Endorphina na.
Masteran ka na, sir.
Pares kami ni sir.
Sunod yung
Kasama sila ma'am, di ba?
Graduate.
Nanalo pa yun?
Sinubal ko yung count ng asawa ko dito, sir. Iiyak ako pag di nanalo.
Nanalo ka sila, nanalo kayo may asawa. Dun